Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create S3 bucket by using AWS CLI. So first we will see the definition of the S3. See, AWS S3 allows you to store and retrieve any amount of data from small files to large data sets in the form of objects. Okay, each object is stored in the container called a bucket, which can be accessed and managed through AWS Management Console or programmatically through AWS SDK tools and AWS CLI. In this video, we are going to create S3 bucket by using AWS CLI. Okay. Now, see, permissions and naming conventions for S3 bucket are the profile that we are using must have the permissions to create the S3 bucket. Okay, I will show you how to check the permissions and naming conventions. See, bucket name must be globally unique. It means if a bucket is there with the same name in any region, it won't allow, it will throw error. Okay, and it should be DNS compliant. Okay, and bucket names must contain all lowercase letters, numbers, hyphens and periods, and bucket names can start and end only with letter or number and cannot contain period next to hyphen or any or another period. Okay, so see, here we have two methods by using S3 and S3 API. With S3 we can perform the high level custom commands made specially for AWS CLI that simplify performing common tasks such as creating, manipulating, deleting and syncing objects and buckets. Okay, and S3 API exposes direct access to all Amazon S3 API operations, which enables you to carry out advanced operations like we can perform the region and other options with this S3 API. Now we will see how to create S3 bucket by using this high level commands and S3 API. Okay, we can create S3 by going to S3 service, S3, then click on S3, then we have to create bucket. This is the way by using AWS Management Console, but by using AWS CLI, open CMD or terminal. If you are on Windows, we have to open command prompt or PowerShell. If you are on Linux operating systems, you have to open the terminal. So to perform actions, you must have install and configure the AWS CLI. I have already configured. Suppose if you run AWS -- version, if it is configured, if it is installed, you will get the version. Okay, if you haven't installed AWS CLI on Windows or Linux operating systems, search for my YouTube channel. I made separate videos for both Windows and Linux operating systems to install and configure AWS CLI. Okay, see, if I run AWS configure, see, I have these options. Okay, so I have set region as US East 1. This is the output format, this is the secret key ID, this is the secret access key. Okay, now we will create by using S3 command. So we have to run AWS S3. If you want to see the options for this one, just give -help. Is help. See, if you give spacebar, you will get the C. CP means it is used to copy, and it is MB means it is used to move the objects. Sync MB. RB means remove bucket. LS means list the buckets, and different options are there. You can go through. See, these are the list of the available commands. CP LS, it will list the buckets in the configured location. MB means it moves the objects from one bucket to another bucket. MB means make bucket, pre-assign, remove bucket. RM, remove. RB means it only removes the empty bucket. Okay, remove means it is used to remove files or bucket. Sync website. Okay, so CLS to clear. We will see all these commands. CLS to clear screen. Now create a bucket, but before creating bucket, first verify the list of the buckets. AWS S3 LS. See, I have these two buckets. Even if you go to this Amazon console, see here I have these two buckets. Let me create another bucket, AWS S3. First I will create, then I will change the permissions to the currently logged in user. Then we will see whether we will be able to create or not. Okay, before that, search for IAM, open this new tab, go to here, users. I am using this AWS CLI user. Okay, if you go to See, I have AWS S3 full access. You must have this permission, or you can give the AWS administration full access. Okay, first we will go with this full access, then MB, then S3 colon double forward slashes, then give unique name for the bucket. It cannot contain anywhere. Say, I hope this is the unique name across the AWS regions. Hit enter. See, make bucket, and we haven't received any error, so it is success. To verify, AWS S3 LS. See, we have created bucket A to G DevOps 1. Go back, go to this buckets, escape. Now refresh this one. See, we have created one bucket. Okay, but if you change the permission, let me remove this one. Then add permissions. Suppose if I give only Amazon S3 read only, then click on next, then click on add permissions. See, we have successfully added. Now go to here. Let me delete this one, this bucket. By going to here, select the bucket name, then click on delete. It will ask confirmation. Just copy the bucket name, paste it, then click on delete bucket. See, we have successfully deleted. Now go to here, AWS S3 LS. You will get the output because this is the read only command. So we can read the, see, we have two buckets. Now try to create the same bucket with read only access. AWS S3 MB, give the same S3 colon forward slash, then A to G DevOps 1. I am giving same name like above. Hit enter. See, we have received error. See, because no identity based policy allows you to create the bucket action. That's why. So go back and go back to IAM, click on user, then remove it. No need to remove. You can add the full access. Select the policies, then search for Amazon S3, then select this full access, then click on next, click on add permissions. We have added. See, now it is not required, so remove it. Remove the policy. Now go to terminal. Now run the same command. Just use the up arrow for the previous command. Hit enter. See, it is success. Now run AWS S3 LS, and also we haven't received any error. See, 3 buckets are there. Okay, even if you go to S3 buckets, reload this one. See, that bucket is created in the region US East 1 because profile I have configured US East 1. Now if you want to copy a file to this bucket, just give CLS dir. See, I have this part.txt.sql, so I want to copy this to, select it, CLS to clear screen, AWS S3 CP, then give the file name, then give the bucket name S3 double forward slash, then give the bucket name. Bucket name is A to Z 1. So what this command will do, it will copy this file to this S3 bucket. Hit enter. See, upload means it is successfully uploaded. Now go to here, go to the bucket, refresh. See, we have uploaded the file. And if you want to delete that file, just give AWS S3 RM, then give the bucket name S3 colon forward slash A to G DevOps 1. File name is, paste that file, hit enter. Delete fail because it is typo, bucket name is wrong. It is, see, deletion is success. Now go to here, refresh this one. See that file is gone. Okay. See, we have covered cp command, ls command, mb command. Move is also like same, but it will replace from the current place to new one. Reassign, remove this rb. I will show you rb now. Remove bucket. RB means remove bucket. So see, this bucket doesn't have any information. So RB means it removes or deletes empty buckets. So AWS S3 RB, then provide the name of the bucket. See, this is the bucket name. So S3 colon / A to G DevOps 1. Hit enter. Remove bucket is success. Now go to buckets. Refresh this one. See, that bucket is gone. But if you try to remove this one, it will throw error. Copy it. Copy this one. Go to here. Replace this. See, this is not empty bucket, so it won't remove with this RB command. Hit enter. See, remove bucket failed because see here, the bucket you tried to delete is not empty. Okay, that's why we have received this error. Next method is S3 API. CLS to clear screen. AWS S3 API. For S3 API, see here we have these options: copy object, create bucket, and we have different options. I will keep this link in the video description. You can go through each one and you can practice. Go to this create bucket and see here we have these many options, and go to examples. At the end we will have the examples. Create bucket, then provide the name of the bucket. A to G DevOps 2. Hit enter. See, we have successfully created. Now go to buckets, then refresh. It will create in the configuration location region. Okay, if you want to delete by using this S3 API, just give Control CLS to clear screen or Control L from the terminal. AWS S3 API delete bucket bucket, then provide the name of the bucket. A to G DevOps 2. Hit enter. See, it is typo. Okay, so verify the bucket name. A to G DevOps. Refresh. Copy the bucket name. Go to the shell. Remove the bucket name. Paste it. Hit enter. See, we have successfully removed. Now reload this one. See, that bucket is gone. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to create S3 bucket by using AWS CLI methods. Okay, for more AWS or DevOps tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.